All right, welcome back to another video. We are at Ford right now, as you guys can see. I dropped off the Ford Mustang to get an oil change. Today's video, we're probably gonna go get my car washed. It's overdue, it's very dirty. The rugs are filthy. So we're gonna get that done after we get this oil change, but we're gonna see what they have here. Just wanna see what kind of cars they got at the lot. Maybe if we can see maybe a dark horse here. We'll see. I might go inside and take a look. And I'm gonna also look at the front and see if they got anything that catches my eye. So I didn't even get that far, and we already got over here to the GT 350s. Wow. Guys, what do you think? A red GT 350. This is beautiful. And we got a white one right here with blue stripes. Amazing cars. You got the yellow Brembos. And the rears as well. That's sick. You got carbon fiber steering wheel, and shift knob is red, I believe. This is amazing. This is beautiful. Could this potentially be a replacement for the 19 Mustang I have? I don't know. That 10-speed, I love it, but sometimes you do get bored of it. And I know these come with the Tremec, so these are a lot better than the MT82s that come on the Ford Mustangs GTs. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I just trade it in? It wouldn't be a good financial choice though, but especially with the interest rates today. Yeah, I don't know, but it's nice. All right, so we about to go to the car wash. I got my GoPro. Might have this shit on my head. I know people are gonna be looking at me, but I do not care. I'm gonna get this content for you guys. And it's cold. Right now it's getting cold. We're supposed to get to like below 20, probably like 18, 15 degrees. So I'm trying to beat the time before it gets dark. And then I don't know why that sound. I don't know what that shit is. I think it's my brakes. I have no clue. I'm about to take a look at that. It's coming from the front though. But anyways, we are about to head. I better not hit this car. We're about to head to the car wash. Sorry, try to do this all in one hand. Driving, I haven't even put my seatbelt on. Don't try this at home, kids. This is very bad. But anyways, we are about to hit the car wash. We're gonna wash the car, try to get it as clean as possible. Tomorrow I'm gonna hand wash it. Today I'm just trying to get the dirt off because it is filthy. Like, I don't know if you guys seen. I don't even know if I put a video of it. I'll probably drop a video so you guys can see how filthy it is. But when we get there, I'll show you guys. But anyways, we're gonna wash it. Try to get it as clean as possible. Probably vacuum the interior as well. And then tomorrow, we're gonna, once the it warms up a little bit during the day, we're gonna hand wash it again with at home. But just figured I should pick up the camera right now that we're heading over there. So yep. Another thing is I used to have a pressure washer and it broke. I had warranty. I lost a receipt. I bought it at Home Depot. And I don't know. I don't know if they'll try to fix it or let me return it or exchange it. I'm gonna figure it out and see if I can, so I can because I really need that. Like, it was very, very helpful having a pressure washer, and not having one kind of sucks. So once I can figure it out if I can exchange it, I'll definitely start washing my cars at home. If not, I'll just have to buy another one. But definitely trying to save money because those things are not cheap. I spent like $300, I believe. So definitely trying to see if I can get that shit exchanged or get some type of store credit or something, I don't know what happened, something with the electrical, I think it was. But yeah, we are here. About to pull in right now, and then I'll take out the camera or the GoPro so you guys can see the POV of me washing the car. Y'all see what's going on? About to drive around. Y'all gonna see the GoPro footage. But yeah, I feel bad for my girl. She's behind me. And I know that shit's kind of loud, but my bad. Anyways, we're about to wrap around the whole car wash again so we can get to the vacuums and we can vacuum the interior. And I have a towel in the bag. I don't really want to like dry the car because it's fucking cold, but I might have to do it. Damn, why does this guy park like this? Like, damn. Got the door open and everything. But anyways, yeah, we're about to wrap around and I'm gonna vacuum, probably gonna dry. I have a big towel that can probably dry the whole car, so I'll probably do that if it's not cold. Like, I don't have gloves, so my hands are gonna be freezing. But my car looks way better. I'm actually happy. I hated seeing my car dirty. My shit was filthy. It's annoying to see my car like that. So now we are about to vacuum. I don't know if I'm gonna have the GoPro for this one because I'm gonna be like, you know, get underneath all this, and the GoPro kind of moves around and gets off. It's just gonna kind of be a headache to try to like record it. So I'm gonna pick it up after I finish that. Taking a photo shoot, and we got kicked out from security mall. So I think this photographer gonna figure out where we're gonna go next. Damn, I'm gonna move forward. You don't want to be seen in the picture. We got hide. Let's see how long it takes us to get kicked out again. Yo, that's what must feel like when you're famous, bro. You got a cameraman following you all over the place. Giving a beamer. And it's raining outside right now. I'm taking some of the interior pics. We got his beam over there. We got the mall with it. You know, if I get some food right after. The bomb drone. Here it is. Real life Call of Duty.